Hey there, and welcome to the Advanced Guide to Procreate for iPad, where we'll dive into this powerful drawing and painting application, and you'll probably learn a lot of tips, tricks, and shortcuts that you didn't know about. My name is Kurt, and I'll be leading you through the course. I started creating art tutorials in 2013, and since then I've taught hundreds of students all over the world about digital art. I designed this course for anyone looking to take full advantage of Procreate. By the end of this course, you'll be able to use its wealth of features to push your art to a whole new level. I think Procreate's a bit like playing the piano. You can learn the basics and bang out Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, or you could learn to play Beethoven. There are so many gestures and functions that are hard to stumble across while you're working with it, so we'll talk about how to find all those little hidden features. And you won't have to just sit and watch my talking head. I'll be working in real time throughout the course, so you can follow along step by step. You'll see my iPad screen in high definition and a shot of my hands while I'm working, so you can see the gestures as well. All you'll need is an iPad, the newer the better, the Procreate app, and a stylus. To get the best results, I'd recommend the Apple Pencil, but any pressure-sensitive stylus will work. So whether you're a traditional artist looking to test the water on the digital side, or if you're just looking to expand your knowledge of Procreate, this course is designed for you. So check out the details in the description below, and hope to see you inside.